haven't seen the beginning of this tutorial, kindly check the description box. So for this, we'll be needing about 1 yard of fabric. So now this is 12 inch by 33 inch fabric. The fabric is already folded into 4. So we are going to be dividing the measurement by 4. So now we are going to be using our hip measurement for this, for the waist too, which is 9 inch. Then the crotch is 11.5 minus 2. Now we are going to be taking our thigh measurement. Then we roll it out and give it a curve. Now we are going down to the ankle. We are going to be taking 8 inch. It is not supposed to be up to 8 inch, but you're going to understand why later. Now we are going to be joining the lines. Now guys, we're going to go to the end and minus 2 inch out of the ankle. Then from the waist, we are going to be minusing 1 inch. Now we are going to join the new waist measurement to the hip and also the ankle, new ankle measurement to the hip, like you see me doing here. Then now we take our scissors and cut the excess out. Now here I'm going to be adding the 1 inch I minus from the side back to the crotch and curve it out. I'm going to be cutting that out. Then now I'll go down to the ankle and then add 1 inch to the inside of the trouser. Then I'll rule it out. Now we are going to be cutting the excess away. So now there we have it. Now we are going to be taking the back part of the trouser away. Now here we have the front. So I'm going to be removing the added 1 inch from the front part of the trouser. So there we have our trouser complete. Now it's time for the pockets of the trouser. Now I already have 6 inch by 10 inch pieces, 2 pieces for the pocket, the 2 pockets. Now I'm placing them on top of each other so I can cut the pocket hole. So you place the front side of the trouser and the pocket together. As you can see, 2 pieces for the pocket and 2 pieces for the front side. Now it's time to cut the pocket hole. And cut it out like you see me doing. Now we are going to go to the front crotch and remove 1 inch. Then we cut that out too. There we have our front part of the trouser. So we are going to go to the machine and join the pockets and also join the crotch together. I'll be right back. So yes, we are done joining the pockets and also the crotch of the front trouser. Now it's time for the back side. I'm going to take this also to the machine, join the crotch together, I'm going to join the front and back trouser together and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done joining that together on the machine. Now it's time for the band of the trouser. Now we are going to be measuring the band to know what we are going to be using for the upper band of the trouser. So now I have these two pieces that I've already cut out. They are already 5-inch. So now I'm cutting 17-inch, which is 5-inch by 17-inch. Now I'm going to join the two sides of the band and then go to the machine and sew it around the trouser. Now it's time to fix the band of the ankle. So now this is what I'll be using for the band. This is called rib material. It is a very stretchy rib for you bands. So now I'm measuring my ankle. You can see it is stretchy. I'm going to be cutting out enough for the ankle. As you can see, I already cut 2 for the 2 legs. So I'm going to the machine and joining both sides too. Now I'm done joining the band, as you can see. So now I've joined the sides of the ankle band. I'm going to fold them in 2, as you can see me doing. Then place it right side together in the ankle and sew it round. I'll do that to both ankle. So guys, here we are. Now I'm done. As you can see, my neat joggers. I'm done doing all that, as you can see. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. See you in my next one. Bye.